here, I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are watching this, wherever you are watching me from. If this is your first time of seeing, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do want to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I post a wonderful video. And if you find this video helpful, click on that like button. You clicking on that like button will enable others to get this video on YouTube. YouTube suggests videos to people based on the like. Okay, so liking this video, yeah, it's like you are making others to what you are blessing others with this video as well. Today I want to teach you guys the powerful use of mirror. I do this all the time. There are ways I can use it to do myself, and there's another way you can do it for others. But today, for some reasons, I will not do it the way you can do it for others. I will do it the way you can do it for yourself, so that people will not abuse this power. So I'll put the whole full this in as I've promised on my deep teaching group, the group I have for spiritualists and the pastors. And if you want to join my free WhatsApp group, let me know in the comment section. I will add you to my free WhatsApp group. So guys, I want to teach you the power of mirror. Yes, I have to teach you the power of mirror. Mirror has the power to reflect everything about yours. I taught in my deep teaching class how those in my deep teaching class, please, if you are see this, you can testify to that. Have I teach you how you can use mirror to know the state of your spiritual self? I have taught that in my deep teaching class. Let them know in the comment section so that they can see my claim. Okay. So today, a mirror can be used for several reasons, but today I want to teach you how you can use mirror to bless yourself. And the best day to do this is a Friday night, or do it Wednesday. But my favorite day is Friday night. Yes, Friday night. There's power in Friday night for some certain work you want to do. Okay, so you do this either Friday night or Wednesday. All you are going to need for this, you are going to need a mirror, you are going to need alligator pepper, and you are going to need a native jack. Who dey zuzu? Where there is God, everything is possible. Okay, now after you have gotten a mirror, you have got your native chalk, you have gotten your alligator pepper, you are going to put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth, blow it in your body. Say, I activate my spirit, I activate my spirit. And when doing this, you should be 100% naked. There should be no earring on you, there should be no wristband, there should be no anything external. You have to be the way you are when you came to this world. Okay, so you bless yourself with alligator pepper, pray for yourself, say, activate my spirit, good things shall be mine, and no evil shall assail me. As I'm doing this, everything I'm saying should be positive about me. So you make prayers of faith. While you blow the spirit of alligator pepper in your mouth, the 7 seeds, you are not going to swallow it, you should be chewing it while you blow the spirit of your body and make it prayer. Okay, when I'm done making prayer with the alligator pepper on body, then you are going to put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth again. Sorry, you are going to put 4 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. Then you are going to use that native chalk to draw a cycle on the ground that will fit you. That is the cycle you are going to start while making your prayer. This is to avoid any external influence that will try to stop what you are going to do. I will try to make you have mistake, or that will try to manipulate and turn what you are doing against you. So that's why you need that native chalk. At the same time, most time I normally use to add salt as well. If I use native chalk to draw a cycle, I normally use a salt to draw a cycle along. Okay, that's top of the native chalk. Okay, then you start in the middle, then you hold that mirror. I called your name. For example, if your name is James, say, you James, I bless you. You must be a rich man. You are successful. This court case, you should be the winner. Nobody deserves the best more than you. Nobody is better than you. James, I called you 3 times. You are the best. I blessed you. From this moment, that money you are looking for to travel at somebody, you will receive that money from where you least expected from. You will be doing the prayer as if you are praying for someone else. Don't say I. You will be calling yourself in the mirror and be pointing to yourself that this is what I want for you. This is what will happen to you. You will tell yourself that you are the best. This job you are looking for, the job you have gotten. Congratulations, my friend. You have gotten this job. Believe me, this will work. So that sometimes when some powerful things are being given for free, people take it for granted. This is something that I have used for several times and I've gotten the result. Even for me, this stick can be used for almost everything. I will tell you guys the step by step in using it for different direction. The step you should take when doing it for another person is different from when doing it for you. But a lot of people will abuse this, so myself, my spirit. So that's I'm just giving you the surface how you can use this to bless yourself. Just a mirror, alligator pepper, and native chalk. If you like, you can add salt. Use this, pray for yourself what you want. You know what you want at that moment. If you need urgent money, do this, pray for yourself that you today, I give you 7 days, you will receive one. When you are making this prayer, you'll be pointing yourself to the mirror as if you are pointing to someone. There's a spirit in this. When you are doing this, right? When you're in the mood, you will notice the kind of anger, the kind of feelings that will come. That what will make that thing to work very fast. Tested and trusted. God has given us different devices to bless ourselves. God has given a lot of things you can use to bless ourselves. So if I should use what God has given us to bless ourselves, I see nothing wrong with it. I think somebody should have come and tell you today that there's something they will do. There's somebody you can call somebody that is very far from you. The person will be hearing you, but you call it witchcraft or superstition. But we have phone today, so also there are some things you can use to command some things for you, so that certain things will happen for you spiritually. Remember, the spiritual rule the physical. So before it happens physically, it has happened spiritually. Please, anything you do not understand, for anything at all you do not understand, ask question. Then I will definitely get back to you. I will make sure I will be able to see you through. The see I always care. You know that. See you guys in the next video. And anything you don't know, you would want me to teach you or to make a video on it, especially for you. I'm always here for you. My concern is see you happy. My concern is when you give me that sweet testimony, it's sweetening my joy and my spirit love God thing. See you guys in the next video. The seer always cares.